everybody doing today? I hope great. So I'm back with another DIY project. This is going to be a really simple project. You'll need some of these self-adhesive hooks from the Dollar Tree. You'll need a 11 by 14 picture frame from the Dollar Tree. Those hooks come in white and silver. I chose white. And 12 come in a pack. And right now I'm just trying to rearrange and get an idea how I want to set up my hooks on this picture frame. And yeah. Now that I have an idea how I want to have the hooks on a picture frame, I got some gold glitter nail polish from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use that to paint my hooks. You'll want some construction paper. You can get construction paper from the Dollar Tree. For this 11 by 14? For this 11 by 14, you'll need 2 sheets. That's because if you're using the back of the paper that came with the frame, you'll want some black so you can't see the picture show through on the frame. Or you can just get some cardstock, white cardstock that is or whatever color you want, cardstock that is the same size as this, which is a 11 by 14. So anyway, our sign. This is the Hello Sunshine, and we're going to place it where we want it to go. Alright guys, so it turned out that you could see this 11 by 14 and this part through the frame. So I just cut that part off and I'm just going to still stick it in there like this. Alright guys, so next step, once you've gotten your decal all nice and situated and these have dried, of course you can paint these any color you want. You're just going to arrange them how you want them to be on your picture frame. And I believe I had 4 or 5 at top and maybe 4 at the bottom. So you just kind of go ahead and design it how you want it to be. So all you gotta do is take the back off of these, this little yellow backing, because it's self-adhesive. If you have some tweezers, that would help tremendously. Then you just stick it on where you need it. so that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really did enjoy making it. However, I do recommend, if you do decide to make this a beautiful necklace slash bracelet holder, I would recommend that when hanging it,
Use
hang it with
strips.
3 thumbtacks, one on each corner and then one in the middle. That way, if you have necklaces or bracelets that are heavier than the other, it won't tilt or whatever. But other than that, it's beautiful. It'll look good in your beauty room, your closet, or just in your room. I'm gonna use it in my room. It's gonna be where I hang necklaces that I wear most often, or bracelets that I wear most often, because I have lots of jewelry, but these are the pieces that I gravitate to most. So yeah, and if you decide to do it for your daughter's room, if you have young children, then you could do the same thing, but maybe not use glass. Maybe just take the glass out and then just do it without the glass. I don't know. Let me know. If you try it, let me know in the comment section below. If you post it on Instagram, tag me. And thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And also be sure to follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have all of those listed down below. And like always, make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. Make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss an upload if you're already subscribed. Thank you so much for being at Pink Love. And until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique. Bye, guys.